Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install App Valley and get all your favorite TikTok applications. So first thing you want to do, you want to go over to settings and scroll down until you see Safari. You want to click Safari and you want to go down and then click Clear History and Website Data. Once you have done that, you want to go out there into Safari and type in app-valley.vip. And I'll have the link in the description for this website. So take a little bit to load. Just click on the blue install button. Go back to Safari. Go back to the page. And if you see any of these, just click exit. Click the install again. And once you see this, you want to say this way. You want to click allow, and then click close. Once you've done that, you want to go out of Safari. You want to go into settings. You go up until you see profile downloaded. And click on profile downloaded. You can click install. Put in your passcode. And you want to click install, and then done. And once you've done that, you can open App Valley. It'll be on your home screen. And App Valley will work just fine. You can get Spotify++ and any other games, hacked games, anything you want. So, well, that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.